Hey there, if you're not sure about what kind of photos do we need, watch this video till the end. Let me quickly walk you through the do's and the don'ts of the photos that we need. Firstly, we would need at least 10 pictures of yourself from different angles. That would be front, side or slight tilt. I'll tell you how to click them. Second, please avoid selfies or group photos. You can ask a friend or someone from your family to click your pictures. Just make sure you are the only one in the frame. Third, make sure your photos are taken in decent natural light, near a window or outdoors. A plain background would work best. Please do not use flash, just clean soft light works best. Fourth, you don't need to worry about wearing a blazer or a formal outfit. Make sure you are groomed and a clean t-shirt or a casual shirt is totally fine. Also, try clicking these in varied clothes and slightly different backgrounds. This helps us create more natural and professional looking headshots. Fifth, please do not use any filters or beautification tools. Good quality unedited images would work best. Take a screenshot of the screen if required. Now that you know the basic, let me quickly click these photos from different angles and show you. Okay, so what we are going to do now is click a few pictures of him to show you exactly how to do that. The light is natural completely and I'm going to click a few pictures of him. So this would be the front angle. Now on left, the left, right, the right and left tilt. Now right tilt. Done. Now we have to take close-ups as well. Let's do that. Front, left, right, left tilt, right tilt, and done. Remember, these don't have to be perfect. Just follow the basics, be yourselves, and we'll take care of the rest. Once you are done clicking the pictures, upload them on our website and we'll create a stunning headshot for your LinkedIn profile. Thank you.